Hello, my name is Dillan Savage of Worth Law Office, and I practice primarily in the Oklahoma City, Oklahoma area. Today we are going to be talking about the criminal penalties that one can face for using false identification or false declarations of ownership in order to sell timber in the state of Oklahoma. Specifically, we are going to be looking at Title II, Section 16-66. So if you do not otherwise know, individuals that buy timber are actually required to receive evidence of ownership before they actually buy that timber from you when they are using that timber to resell. So in the event that you go to these individuals and you make a false declaration of ownership or use false identification in order to sell the timber and you are found guilty and convicted of this crime, you can either be guilty of a felony or a misdemeanor. So what is the difference between the two? Because that's pretty important. Those are big differences between a felony and a misdemeanor. So in the event that you sell this timber using either false identification or false declarations of ownership, and that timber itself is over the value of $200, it is going to be a felony. And upon a conviction of this felony, you are going to be facing a fine of up to $10,000 or up to 5 years in prison, or potentially both if they throw the book at you. Now, in the event that the timber itself is $200 or less, it is going to be a felony, at which point the fine can be up to $1,000, and you could be facing up to a year in prison, or again, both. So it is just not a good idea to go and make false declarations or use false identification documents in order to sell timber. It is a regulated thing. You will likely get caught. It's just not worth it. If you found this video to be helpful or you believe it could help someone else, please go to theoklahomacityattorney.com. My name is Dillan Savage, and thank you for watching.